To always allow your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra to connect to an auto hotspot device, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel. And then tap setting icon. Tap connection. Next, tap Wi-Fi. Tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right. And then tap intelligent Wi-Fi. Tap auto hotspot connection. And then select always. With this setting, your phone will automatically connect to an auto hotspot connection that you are allowed to use when it's available near you. However, this feature will work if Wi-Fi in your phone is on. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.